Hey guys, and welcome back to Bee's Kitchen. A warm welcome to you all. I hope everyone is doing well. Today I am going to show you guys how to make these beautiful, golden, delicious chicken kebabs, which smells absolutely incredible. Stay with me and let's get started. For this recipe, I am going to use the following ingredients. In this bowl, I have chicken thighs, and the chicken thighs have been cut into bite size. You can also use chicken breast, but I prefer using chicken thighs because it's a lot juicier. I have freshly chopped parsley, plain yogurt, smoked paprika, onion, salt, ground coriander, garlic granules, cumin, turmeric, chicken seasoning, mixed herbs, black pepper, Himalayan salt, and olive oil. As always, I will list all the ingredients including measurement in the description box below. I'm going to start by adding all my seasonings to the chicken thighs. As I've added all my seasonings, including the plain yogurt, olive oil, and the fresh parsley, I'm just mixing everything together well. I'm now going to cover with cling film, and I will place the chicken in the refrigerator to allow it to marinate for 1 hour. I'm now going to soak the skewers in water. This will stop the skewers from burning once I put it on my grill. An hour later, I have removed the chicken from the refrigerator, and I'm just going to remove the cling film from the chicken. Next, I'm going to skewer the chicken. Now, time to put the chicken pieces on a skewer. So I've just taken one skewer, and I'm going to pierce it through the thickest part of the chicken piece, ensuring that it's not close to the end because I will need the end part to hold it whilst I'm turning it around. And I'm just going to add about 5 or 6 pieces of chicken to each skewer, and I will repeat this until there's no chicken pieces left. And as you can see, all the chicken pieces have been skewered, ready for grilling. To grill the chicken kebab, I am actually going to use George Foreman grill. And guys, don't worry, if you don't have a George Foreman grill, you can certainly do this step in the oven. The plate on a George Foreman grill is hot, so I'm just brushing on a little bit of olive oil before I add my chicken kebab. And I'm going to add 5 pieces of the kebab. I'm going to not overcrowd my George Foreman grill because I want the chicken to have enough room to be able to cook evenly. I'm going to close the grill, and after some time I will open and turn the chicken around just to ensure that all the sides are evenly cooked. I will continue to do this until the chicken kebabs is fully cooked. And guys, as you can see, the chicken kebab is nearly ready. It looks beautiful, and if I tell you, it smells amazing. Oh my goodness, I cannot wait to enjoy this. And the first batch is ready. I'm just going to remove it from my grill and I will grill the next batch. And guys, the chicken kebab is ready. It smells amazing. Oh my gosh, I cannot wait to tuck in. I grilled some aubergines on the George Foreman grill, added some cherry tomatoes, some red onions, and some cucumber on the side with a little bit of chili. And guys, I cannot wait to tuck in. Thank you so much for joining me. Please don't forget to like this video, share this video, comment below, subscribe to this channel if you have not already done so, and don't forget to click that notification bell, which will notify you every time I post a new video I am enjoying. And I'll see you next time. Bye.